Oh, I forgot to put deodorant on.
Hold on.
Hello! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby, and today we have another special guest. Woo! So today we're going to be doing a video which we saw on Emily Noel's channel, and we were inspired. Yeah. So it's basically makeup bingo, and we each have a palette, and mine has 18 colors, hers has 21.
Yeah.
But we're like taking away 3 that are pretty close and pretty, I guess, safe shades.
Yeah.
And we have a bingo card, and then we have a number generator. So we have the numbers 1 through 18, and those are all going to be some like shade. And then 19 and 20 are both free spaces. Mm-hmm. And the first one to get a bingo, I guess, well,
like that ends
that session. So like we have to keep using all of the shades until we get a bingo. Ready? Generate 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, cool! I got Diet Root Beer. That's like a really safe shade. What did you get?
Good as Gone. So it's a
okay. That's
dark.
Nice for like the outer corner. Yeah. All right, and go. 14. 11, 12. Wait. 12, 13, 14. Okay. I got Diet Cola. Low-key really excited for this.
Yeah. I got Double Life.
So oh, like that's nice. Yeah. Okay. 19.
Wait, I didn't get a 14.
You didn't get a 14? Yeah, I think that's what happened.
Okay.
That you don't have to like get them.
So the first one was 4, so I got that.
And then the second one was 14. And then now it's 19, which 19 is a free space.
Okay.
So it's just a free space. That one I guess doesn't count. Yeah. All right, ready?
Yeah.
And go. 6.
Okay, so I only have this one and this one to choose from right now.
Okay. Oh, but that's cute. That's a nice orangey eye. I have this one, spiraling. It was spiraling, which I'm kind of scared because like that silver is really intense. I guess I could do like inner corner. All right. 19 again, so that doesn't count. 9.
Okay.
Did we already have 9?
No.
I don't have 9. Do you have 9?
I do. Okay.
Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah. So it's this other bronzy shade.
That's nice. All right. And 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, Just a Theory. I love this color. It's this one.
Oh, that's pretty.
So I've got this one.
I got Hell Ride, so that's this dark pink one.
17. Okay, so 17 would be, I guess, Illuminati.
Ooh, I love the shade. It's this blue Radio.
Ooh, they're really similar because they're both like a greenish tint.
Yeah.
All right. 8.
I got 8.
8.
4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh.
Pigment.
I got this purple, the Guilt Trip.
Oh my god, I'm kind of scared. This is a lot.
I know.
Okay. 13.
6, 7.
I got this blue, which is What's the Tea?
I got another dark shade, Punk.
Oh, that's pretty. All right. 9, which we already got, right?
Yeah. Get that one.
15.
I
literally am like 1 away from 3
6.
different bingos.
Yeah, see. I got the black, the Jet.
Oh, that's nice. You could do that for eyeliner.
Yeah.
I got Not a Fact, which is like a dark purple. 10.
So close to bingo.
Okay, so
I love this shade.
oh god.
But like, I don't know, it's gonna be a lot.
I know.
It's Smog.
Oh, I do like that shade. Yeah. I got Trisha. Ah, it's so hot pink. I'm scared.
Shimmery pink.
I know. Okay. 13. Did we already get 13? Yeah, we already did 13. 6.
I don't know.
We already have 6. 3. Bingo! Yes! Did you not see?
No.
Oh, dude! So I got it downward, but it's 3. So 3 is gonna be 1, 2, 3. Tannicon, which I love this shade anyways. So, all right, you finish it. Ready? 11.
Oh my god.
Dang, watch you use the whole board. Which color is it?
Green with like a gold reflex, the Wanderlust.
Ah, okay. 9. We already did 9.
Yeah.
19, which is free.
Space.
8.
I did. We already have that.
11.
Have that.
9. Oh, we got that. 6. We got that. 10.
Yeah, I got that.
17.
I feel like we had that.
I think we did, yeah. 7.
Okay, finally.
Yay!
Oh, accelerate.
Ooh, alright. So now we have our colors picked out.
That's a lot of colors.
I know. I got, let me see, 7, 8, 9, 10.
11.
18. Yeah! Got it! It only took
I know, it took me like less than a minute and you're like,
I'm gonna prime my face. Because, I don't know. I'm gonna smack it on there. Smack it. What
yeah,
is
we should go
that?
outside.
She'll freak out. She knows exactly what that word means. Oh my god! Oh my god! No! Pepper, you called her! Oh, mama.
She's been awakened.
Ready?
Begin!
Yeah. I'm gonna start with a transition color.
Yeah.
Because, that's what all the YouTubers do. So I'm gonna start with Tanacon.
And I'll start with Hellride.
That's so ugly. I don't know why I did that. I think I'm gonna go in with,
It's just makeup.
I know, with Just a Theory.
Oh.
I think so. And I'm gonna put that just in the inner, like, third of the eye.
I'm just trying to think what I want on the lid. Like I'm gonna use probably like 2 or 3 colorful ones. Just trying to see like what combination I want.
And the guilt strip here. Now I'm gonna place pigment on the middle, on this, I guess the second, third, yeah.
I'm like not breathing. I'm like, oh.
I know. And then I am gonna go in with my finger, put a little bit more. It just sucks because these nails don't really let me get that. Not close. Blend this part.
I'm like really stumped, like, cause I'm like, I have like a visual in my mind. I don't know how to execute.
It looks good so far. All right, I think I'm gonna go with Trisha and pack that onto the outer third part of the eyelid.
Using the Ignite shade in my inner corner.
Ooh, I kind of like how this looks. A little bit of like a ba-bam.
Shazam. I'm going with the Baja shade. This orangey one.
That's so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna go back in with pigment now and like just really pack that in because I really want to make sure that it doesn't get lost in Trisha.
I'm gonna put Punk. I don't really do my lower lash line.
Ooh, you gonna have to with this. Too
Yeah.
many colors.
I have small eyes, so it's like, I need more room.
And then I'm gonna go back in again with Just a Theory.
I don't really like doing my lower lash line because I don't know, especially when like people do like dark colors under the eyes, because I'm like, you just covered your dark circles with concealer, and it's like
I always do my lower lash
no, I
line.
mean, like with dark colors like this, I'm like, that's like the same color as your under. Like, you know, like,
I'm gonna take this little, where is it? This one, this little bullet brush. This one's the M321, and I'm gonna put spiraling right in the corner.
you can also put Good As Gone in the lower lash line. It's basically the same color.
Once I've got that, I'm gonna buff it out now with whatever's left of Trisha on here.
Outer corner, I'll put Jet, which is the black shade.
And then I'm gonna go into like that, where I put the transition shade before. I'm now gonna darken it up with Diet Root Beer.
Same.
This is probably not the best idea.
Mistakes were made.
Alright, so now that I have that, I'm going to go back and kind of buff it out with, I don't really want this bullet one. This one, but this one has Trisha. We're just gonna pretend it doesn't have Trisha. Oh god, there's pink up here. And there's pink up in my eyebrow.
I'm gonna try to use Wonderlust in my crease. But I mean, I have hooded eyes, so I feel like it's gonna disappear as soon as I like open my eye again.
Hey, but at least you used it.
Yeah,
You know?
it counts.
Then I'm gonna go back in with this big brush and use Tanacon once more. If you have not seen our vlog, we had a sleepover, so that was definitely something that...
If y'all ever saw the movie Sleepover, nothing like it.
No, it was basically that. I totally was wearing a awesome dress skating in front of a gorgeous guy.
Yeah, because guys like talking to us.
That was so depressing! Oh my god! That looks so pretty. Amanda! That looks dope!
Wow, I'm an actual artist.
Did you finish all your...
Yeah.
Shut up!
Yeah.
You're done?
I'm done. Finished product.
Here, y'all can see how long I usually take with my makeup. Oh my god. Oh my god, hold on. Literally, I'm always late to everything because of my makeup. And so, I just take my own car.
Takes time.
Yeah, man, I take my own car. Like, whenever we go to church and stuff, I'm like, alright, I'll meet y'all there. Like, I don't even try anymore. One time, I was an hour late to church.
Oh yeah, you put it on Instagram,
I
right?
felt so bad. I like snuck in. I was like, oh my god, no one noticed. Okay, so we're back. We did most of our face makeup. Hold up, let me pull you in. This is what I have so far. I have to do the under eye though. You're basically done already, right?
Yeah, I might like touch up like the shimmer shadows a little bit.
Alright, so touch-ups, here we go. I'm going to use this little tiny brush. This is the M213, and that's what I'm going to use the last 3 colors, which is What's the Tea? I'm going to put that right here.
I'm touching up the purple because I feel like it kind of faded a little bit.
This is such a pretty color. It's just so light, and like half of it's in my contact now. Maybe if I wet it a little bit.
And then I'm gonna use, I really like Smog because it's like really interesting how like the gold is.
Yeah. Boom. Okay, now I'm gonna use Illuminati in the like, what is it? Oh my god, I like leaned it all the way. In the
outer
like
corner.
outer, yeah, outer lash line.
And then I was going to take more of Wonderlust on this little crease brush to get it more prominent.
Little ombre moment.
Yeah.
I need to do Diet Cola. That's the only one left, right? Let me make sure.
And then I put Accelerate like that last like, it's like shimmer but it's more of a satin. I put it on top of everything, kind of right underneath my brow bone.
Yeah! I just need my inner corner, which I'm going to do Diet Cola. So contour brush from e.l.f. and I'm going to just dip into Diet Cola and put it in my inner corner. Oh my god, are we done? Ooh, burns.
Did we do it?
In my eye. Ever since like I did the whole lash extensions, which video, if you haven't seen it, I like my lashes have been struggling to get back to where they were. My lashes were long, and so I have to like curl them like 3 times during my mascara process.
Strove.
If we were going somewhere, I would put like fake lashes, but we're staying in the house. We're not doing anything. Oh, almost forgot. Mascara on my lower line. Alright, and then we're gonna put down the hair. Oh, slow-mo. Wait, ow. You need help? Not a cute slow-mo.
Ow.
That was so ugly. Okay. Is that the look basically? We're done? Are we done?
We're done.
This is the look. Can you see that? Can you see that? I like really got up here. I could have just zoomed in the camera, but we wanted to get up in your face.
Yeah. I don't know if you can see all the colors, but it's a whole variety.
That is our video! Woo! We hope you enjoyed it. Honestly, it wasn't as hard as I thought it would be, and I think it's because they were in a palette already, like we said. It was already in a palette. Emily Noel did it, like, from singles.
Yeah,
so it's probably a lot harder.
Jen Loves Reviews.
Yeah, so, but it was fun, because I still used, I feel like we used so many eyeshadows. I've never used this many, and the look looks really pretty, and...
Yeah, yours too. I love the lower lash that's blue.
See? Lower lashes. What? Did we convert somebody?
No.
Alright, till next time, guys. Love you lots. And don't forget to like, subscribe. Let me know if you want to see Amanda again. Alright, bye.